Okay. So, the first award for the evening, can I request Mr. Rohit Devan to please join us on stage and present the award. And this is the CVF Most Admired Auto Supplier for CV. Very warm welcome, Rohit. Nice to see you.
Nominees are SPAL Automotive Technology India Private Limited, Catch Motors, Akzo Nobel, NBC Bearings, Meba Drive Tech India.
All right, can I request Rohit to please announce the winner of the CVF Most Admired Auto Supplier for CV? And the winner is...
Any guesses? No? CVF Most Admired Auto Supplier for CV award goes to SPAL Automotive Technology India Private Limited. I request you to come on stage, please.
And the winner is SPAL Automotive Technology India Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, this award honors a global leader in thermal management, delivering the axial fans, blowers and coolant pumps that keep India's commercial vehicles running at their peak. Trusted by OEMs and Tier 1 integrators across buses, trucks and off-highway vehicles, this Italian heritage company holds over 90% share in BLDC fan solutions. And of course, our winner is PAL. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए.
CV Awards 2026.
Okay, so moving on. If there is one word defining the future of commercial mobility, it is transformation. Now, as India accelerates towards a cleaner and more sustainable transportation, some organizations have chosen not to wait for the future. In fact, they have built it. Our next award celebrates a company that has demonstrated vision, courage, and leadership in alternative fuels and sustainable mobility. And the category is CVF Most Admired Alternative Fuel
CVF
Fleet
Most
Trailblazer
Admired
of the
Alternative
Year.
Fuel Fleet Trailblazer of the Year. And the nominees are VTrans, Blue Energy Motors, AVG Logistics, SK Translines.
All right, to present this award for today, can I please have on stage Mr. Prakash Sardesai, Vice President ECMA, Head Application Engineering and Business Development, Sut Chemi India Private Limited. Can I please have Mr. Prakash Sardesai joining us? Yes, he is here. Sut Chemi. Okay, sir. Thank you for correcting me. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Prakash Sardesai? And the award goes to
Commercial Vehicle Forum's Most Admired Alternate Fuel Fleet Trailblazer of the Year. अंदर है क्या? Blue Energy Motors.
And the winner is Blue Energy Motors.
Ladies and gentlemen, this award honors a company that is rewriting the rules of heavy-duty trucking in India. With over 1,400 LNG and electric trucks sold already on the road, covering 95 million kilometers and saving over 25,000 tons of CO2, this is not just a vision for the future. This is clean freight happening right now. India's #1 green truck brand, delivering real impact at real scale.
Yeah, good afternoon. Myself and Ram Subramaniam passed out engineering in 1975 in the same class. Give a big hand to him. And we joined Tata Motors also together. He left earlier than me, and then he went to Royal Enfield, and then Eicher, and then Ashok Leyland, back to Eicher, and then of course Asia Motors, which has now become this. So throughout this journey of almost 45, 50 years, we have been interacting each other, and he has been more like a mentor than a competitor or a customer. So I'm so happy to be blessed here to present this award to my classmate, Mr. A. Ram Subramaniam. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations to the winner, Blue Energy Motors, a trailblazer in every sense of the word.
CV and Fleet Awards 2026.
Okay, so now we move on to our next category award. Now, in logistics, margins are earned through efficiency. Every kilometer, every liter, every minute matters. Now, this award recognizes an organization that has mastered the science of operational excellence to drive measurable gains in efficiency across their CV operations. And that is the CVF Most Admired Operational Efficiency Star of the Year. So, ladies and gentlemen, to give away this prestigious award, let us now welcome our next presenter, Mr. Shantanu Sonar, Global Lead DT-MFTBC, Archeon Software and Electronics, Daimler Truck Innovation Center. Can we have the AV, please?
CVF Most Admired Operational Efficiency Star of the Year. And the nominees are CJ Dassel Logistics, Ramble Private Limited, AVG Logistics, All Cargo Gati Limited, Goldman Logistics, VRL Logistics.
All right, any guesses? Let's have some guesses first, then we'll announce the winner. Any guesses? Come on, guys. एक नाम तो बताइए. One name. All Cargo. Okay. Any more? Okay, sir. Let us now announce the winner. And the winner is
All Cargo Gadi Limited.
yes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's push our hands
And the
together
winner is All Cargo Gati Limited.
for All Cargo Gati Limited. Now, this award honors a logistics powerhouse operating across 32,000 pin codes, processing over 6 million shipments every month. Through 40 plus process overhauls, 42 system enhancements and technology deployments, this organization has turned operational efficiency into a competitive art form. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for All Cargo Gati Limited. Okay, so let's move on to our next section. Now, today's commercial vehicle is no longer just hardware
and fleet.
on wheels. It is connected, intelligent, and software powered platform. Now, this award celebrates the organization that has pioneered the most impactful software solution for the commercial vehicle ecosystem, and this sets new standards for what digital intelligence can do for this industry. So to present this award of appreciation, please join me in welcoming Vijay Kumar Vilayutham, Director and CEO, Green Mobility Automotive Applications. Can we have the AV, please?
Awards 2026. CVF Most Admired, Pioneer in Software Solutions for CV. And the nominees are Bosch, Daimler Truck Innovation Center India Private Limited, ZF Commercial Vehicle Control Systems Limited, Continental, Binary Semantics,
Okay, any guesses for this award? ZF, okay, any more? We have some more nominees out here. Any more guesses before I hand over the mic to sir? सबको एक ही आंसर है क्या? सबके मन में? Okay, wow, okay, that is amazing. All right, sir, I hand over the mic to you. The winner is
ZF Commercial Control System Limited.
Oh, you all were right. Yes, the winner,
and the winner is
is
ZF Commercial Vehicle Control Systems.
This award honors a global technology leader turning the commercial vehicle into a software-defined, continuously upgradable platform. Their vehicle app store gives OEMs full control from cloud to in-vehicle edge. One vision, the intelligent vehicle of tomorrow. A big congratulations to ZF Commercial Vehicle Solutions, a truly pioneer achievement. Zorda tali ho jaye, everyone. Visibility, intelligence, real-time decision making. Connected technologies are changing the rules of fleet management, and this award honors an organization leading that revolution, the one that is enhancing visibility, control, and intelligence across the fleet life cycle. So to present this next award, may I please invite on stage Mr. Manish Sharma, Managing Partner, SM Carrying Corporation. Warm welcome, Manish. You have a lot of fans out here. Okay, can we have the AV, please?
Awards 2026. CVF Most Admired Connected Technology for CV. And the nominees are Netradyne, ZF Commercial Vehicle Control Systems Limited, Euler Motors, Light Metrics, Loconav,
So let me ask your friends, give me a guess now. Huh? Light metrics. Okay, any more guesses? पीछे भी light metrics. आप लोगों का सबको मतलब क्या है, मतलब आइडिया रह जाता है कि किसको मिलने वाला है? Okay, okay, all right. Manish, can we please have the winner from you?
So the CVF Most Admired Connected Technology for Commercial Vehicle Award goes to Light Metrics.
and the winner is Light Metrics.
This award honors a company that is making every making roads safer through the power of AI and video telematics. Their flagship platform combines Edge AI with in-cabin driver coaching, real-time safety alerts, and cloud-based intelligence. Now trusted by over 2,500 fleets globally and backed by cutting-edge computer vision technology, this Bangalore-born innovator is proving that connected intelligence saves lives and transforms fleet performance. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everyone for Light Metrics. All right. So now we move on to our next award. Now, telematics is the nerve system of the modern commercial fleet. The next award recognizes a telematics solution delivering meaningful insights and measurable business outcomes. To announce the winner of this award, may I please call upon stage Mr. Rahul Sonmane, MD, Draw Edge Technologies. A very warm welcome, Rahul. Can we please have the AV team?
CV and Fleet Awards 2026. CVF Most Admired Telematics Solution of the Year. And the nominees are FleetX Technologies Private Limited, Arya OmniTalk, Accolade Electronics, Aditi Tracking, iTriangle,
Okay, I already have an answer from Reema. Any more answers? Any more guesses? Before I give the mic to Rahul. Come on, guys, we just have 2-3 awards left. What's some energy? Who do you think is the winner? Accolade, okay, any more? We have FleetX, we have Arya, we have Aditi, we have iTriangle. How about them? ऐसे ही बोल दिया? Do you really believe it? Okay, Reema knows it. Okay. Rahul, let us know the winner of this award.
CVF Most Admired Telematics Solution of the Year award goes to Accolade Electronics.
Accolade Electronics!
and the winner is Accolade Electronics.
This award honors an Indian automotive electronics company that has quietly powered over 1 million connected vehicles on the road. Their secure and scalable telematics control units spanning 2G through 5G and V2X form the invisible intelligence behind fleets across India. This is a company that builds the hardware backbone of connected commercial mobility reliably at scale every single day. A big congratulations, everyone. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for our winner of the evening. Can I request all the winners to please stay back because we have something surprise planned out for all of you, for all the winners and also for all the people who are backing and encouraging all the awardees and all the nominees out here. So I request everyone to please stay back. Please don't leave because we have something very surprising lined up for you. Okay, but वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी. But now we go on to our next award for the evening. Now, behind every successful supply chain is a fleet operation that performs with relentlessly consistency. Now, this award honors a private fleet that has become a benchmark for excellence. A fleet that is not just running trucks, but building a world-class commercial transport operation that others in the industry look as a benchmark. Now, to do the honors for this very special award, Please make some noise for our presenter, Mr. Santosh Sharma, GM R&D and Head Vehicle Software and Control Systems, JSW Green Tech Limited. A very warm welcome, Santosh. And can I please request my team to play the AV?
CV and Fleet Awards 2026. CVF Most Admired Leading Private Fleet of the Year. And the nominees are Varuna Group, Safe Express, Chetak Logistics, VRL Logistics, Kapoor Diesel,
Okay, now this is the second last award. Want some noise from you guys. Who do you think is the winner? Safe Express? Chetak, okay. I heard somebody saying Safe Express as well. Anybody else? We have 5 nominees. Any more guesses? VRL, okay. Yes, a strong contender, I must say. 3 नाम तो हो चुके हैं, अब बाकी 2 का भी नाम बता दीजिए. Okay, can I request sir to please announce the winner?
So, CVF Most Admired Leading Private Fleet of the Years, and it's Chetak Logistics.
and the winner is Chetak Logistics.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, this award is won by Chetak Logistics. This honors a logistics company with roots going back to 1979 and a vision firmly set on the future. With over 2,500 vehicles, 68 warehousing locations across India, this is a fleet built on decades of reliability. They are setting the standard for private fleet excellence in India. Congratulations to our winner, Chetak Logistics. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived to the final award of the evening, and with it, one of the highest honors at CVF. Now, this recognition goes beyond growth, beyond market share, beyond quarterly performance, and it celebrates resilience, vision, consistency, and the ability to navigate disruption, embrace change, and continue building for the future year after year. Now, this is for an organization that has demonstrated the mindset and the commitment required for just not to succeed today, but to remain relevant and impactful for decades to come. Yes, the category is CVF Most Admired Company, in it for the long haul. And for that, can I please request Dr. Atul Thakre, Senior Manager, Business Development and Corporate Planning, ARAI, to please join us on stage and present the final award of the evening. Can I request my lovely team to
CV
please
and Fleet
put the AV?
Awards 2026. CVF Most Admired Company, in it for the long haul. And the nominees are Delivery, Blue Dart, Let's Transport, DCI Logistics,
All right, we have all stellar names on the screen. Every brand has a story of its own. But now let me ask you, Who do you think is the winner? Yes? TCI, okay. Any more? How about delivery? Any hands up for delivery? Okay, we have 4 hands. How about Blue Dart? Blue Dart. Anybody? Just one. Nobody else uses Blue Dart? I think you're the only one who uses Blue Dart. Okay, how about Let's Transport? One person? Only one? Okay. And TCI Logistics, we had some names. Oh, we have a lot of hands out here. Okay, so the competition is very tough, sir. Sir, what do you think? Who is the winner? Let's announce it.
Yeah, you have said it. Let's announce it. The award, the CVF Most Admired Company in it for the long haul award goes to Let's Transport.
Yes, ladies and
And the
gentlemen.
winner is Let's Transport.
The winner is Let's Transport. This award honors a tech-first road logistics company with over a decade in the market and a clear mandate for the future. This is a company with the muscle, the model, and the mindset to go the distance. One billing, one point of contact, assured load of vendors. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye, ladies and gentlemen, for our winner of the evening, one of the stellar awards for the evening. It goes out to Let's Transport. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Come on. All right, so we have done with the awards, but as I just said, we have some surprise lined up for you. But before that, can I please request all our winners to please step on stage with with your awards so that we can have a group photograph by our official photographer. All the winners out here, we have 8 winners. Can I please have you on stage? Jaldi se aa jaiye stage pe. And audience members, please be seated because the surprise is going to be coming in a few minutes from now. Can I have all the 8 winners on stage, please? But I think we can have some people come here this side. थोड़ी इस तरफ आ जाइए, so that we can, take a good picture. Smile, you guys are the winners. Smile, give your biggest smiles. Come on guys, zordar taaliyan ho jaye for the winners of our evening. Okay, wait sir. Everybody please wait. Okay. नहीं सर, मैं आपको तो बिल्कुल जाने नहीं दूंगी. आपने मुझे स्पेशली हाय बोला है, तो मैं तो आपके साथ पास में ही रहूंगी. Okay. Can I request everyone, जहाँ पे यहाँ लोग बैठे हैं, थोड़ा खड़े हो जाएं. This is the last segment of the evening. And we have all our champions out here. We just can't let them go like this. So, what I want you to do is take your awards and place it like this. Yeah? Okay? And do it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can we do that together? Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2. Done? Okay? और आप लोग ऐसे खड़े होके हंसना नहीं है. आपको भी साथ में इनके साथ करना है, ठीक है? But we're going to do it with music now. Okay? Can we please have the music? This is for all our champions at CVF.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it, Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bundy is a champion, Follow is a
जोरदार ताली हो जाए. Thank you for being so sporting and being such a fun element for our evening today. एक बार पूरा कैमरा के लिए एक बार अपने अवार्ड को वापस से सामने कीजिए. मैं डांस नहीं कराऊंगी, don't worry. बस एक बार कैमरा के लिए please put your awards in front. Yes. And can we please have a good photo for everyone? आप आगे आ जाइए, sir. Okay, can I please request you to please get seated so that they can take a good picture? All right, brightest smiles on the face. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay. A big congratulations to our winners, everyone. For 2026, I hope all of you come back next year and take some more awards, and I'll make you dance more next time. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.